Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start by inspecting the skirt carefully for damage and size issues. Check the skirt for tears, broken zipper, missing button, or stretched waistband. Lay the skirt flat on a table in smooth fabric to reveal hidden problems. Gather tools, sewing needle size 7, matching thread, scissors, pins, measuring tape, and a seam ripper. Note measurements clearly using 1/4" and 1/2" marks. Photograph the problem for reference before you begin sewing. Organize tools within reach to keep the work. If the waistband is the issue, open the waistband seam with a seam ripper to access the elastic or zipper. Remove the damaged zipper or worn elastic carefully without cutting the fabric. Replace a zipper up to 6 inches long by pinning it in place and sewing using a backstitch with about 10 stitches per inch. For elastic, insert new elastic and overlap by 1 inch before sewing. Reattach or replace buttons with 6 to 8 firm stitches, each to secure them for To finish, measure and mark the desired hem depth using a straight ruler and chalk, choosing 1/2" or 1 inch. Fold the hem, press with an iron at the fabric-appropriate setting to create a crisp crease, and pin every 2 inches to hold. Sew the hem with a straight stitch, keeping a 1/8" top stitch from the folded edge for a clean look. Reinforce stress points like belt loops with 3 to 4 bar tack stitches. Trim loose threads and press the skirt for a professional finish.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.